Rolling hills, rolling hills. All right, rolling hills, guys. This is one of Ellis County's newest 1 acre lot custom community, getting ready to open. They'll start pre-selling here real soon. I've showed y'all this community before, but I want to let y'all see again in case we get someone interested. But they build really fabulous homes, right, on 1 acre lots. Right, if you know you like big communities with big lots, if you like to be able to customize your home, you know, oftentimes when you're in the cities, you know, when you're in the major cities, there's not a lot of land. But when you get out in rural areas like over here in Ellis County, you have lots of land, and the builders have room, you know, to build communities with large lots, right? But this is connected to an existing community. I'll drive over in the existing community to kind of give you a ideal of what the homes can look like. Right, notice they will keep a lot of the trees, right? This builder, they'll keep a lot of the trees, you know, so that you can have trees in the community as it starts out. They'll try to build around them. Hey, Ramon. We got Ramona in the house. That's Ramona. We got Miss Harris in the house. Are we cousins, Miss Harris? My mom's maiden name is Harris. We might be related. Got Miss Carolyn, Candace in the house. Hey, who's that? Too Loyal? Court Too Loyal. Willie X in the house. There's Miss Shirley. But again, guys, 1 acre lots. There's going to be a drainage there. They got the water in there. There's the fire hydrant. The roads are all in. But 1 acre lot community, guys. I hear people, oh, those houses too close together. Oh, they too close together. If you do not want if you want a big home sites like this, you gotta be ready to pay. I remember when I first got in real estate about almost 7 years ago, I sold 1 acre lot communities for right at $300,000. I remember you could get a custom home, you know, under $400 on a 1 acre lot, but times are changing, and now these homes are going to be starting in the 6s and going all the way up to the 7s and 8s. Right, but it's several builders that are building in this community. Let me go let you see their adjacent community so you can see what fabulous homes they're going to have. Right, they're getting ready to pour the foundation on that one. Right, they got the plumbing rough in. They'll be pouring that foundation. But let me let y'all see again, guys, what the adjacent community, the same builders, what the home sites are gonna look like. And to be honest, I think they'll probably be in they have not released the prices yet. They'll probably start in the 6s and 7s though. All right, are y'all ready to see this fabulous community? All right, this is what happens is when the developers, they'll develop the first section and then they'll have another phase that comes later. So this is what's going on with all the back here. There's a big home site. They got that ready. All right, but this is the existing community, guys. Fabulous ranch style homes you can do on a 1 acre lot. All right, look at the space in between, y'all. I absolutely love this next one. I showed y'all this community. Y'all just done forgot. Look at this baby here. Ooh la la. I love white brick, but this black brick is fabulous too. Look at there, guys. Isn't that awesome? Ranch style. They have the double doors. Y'all see those modern double doors? Can y'all see those double doors? So let's drive on this neighborhood. This is what they're going to look like. All right, you can get detached garages. Look at that port. You'll be able to get a detached garage. That one actually has a detached and an attached garage. So over 4 spaces. all 1 acre lot communities. All right, they'll have 2-story, they'll have single story. Got to make sure my phone doesn't get too hot. But 1 acre lot communities. Right, again, these are custom builders that really allow you to design your home. They allow you to do so many modifications. I got to keep this air on in this car, so ooh, that is gorgeous. That's a big lot they got here. Oh, look at this one, guys. Their landscape is on point. Fabulous. Let's go down this street. Let's see what they got going on. This one too. Oh yeah. Fabulous homes. Oh, nice. Ooh, a blue door. Look at these big backyards. Y'all see all this? 1 acre lot community, right? There's a couple of 1 acre lot communities coming up in the Ellis County area. So, and then, you know, again, most counties do have 1 acre lot communities. It just depends on how big the county is and what areas they may be developing in. Kaufman County has a lot of 1 acre lot communities right now. Collin County has some. Navarro County has some. Dallas County doesn't have too many right now because, you know, Dallas is Big D. They don't have a whole bunch of land. But you got them in most major, you know, cities. You know, oftentimes when my families are getting ready to upgrade or build like this, you know, we have to find out what's important to them, right? What's important for them, you know, in terms of work and things like that. And that's how we go about deciding, you know, how far. Like the couple today, you know, they're going to have to drive 30 to 40 minutes to work. But again, a wonderful community. I'm going to go turn around. Just want to kind of give y'all a preview of what these home sites are looking like. All of this free space back here. It's part of the drainage system. They have a pond over there. Ooh, it's coming back on their house. Nice, nice, nice. Oh yeah, I love that one. But this is at the end of the community now. This is connected to another community, right? For 1 acre lot community, I'm gonna turn around and go back into the community. Here I go. Oh, I ain't been on this street in a minute. Oh my goodness. But let me exit out of the community the way that I came. Notice they have a centralized mailing location, guys. The county determines whether you have a mailing system that, you know, where the postman comes to your home, or whether you have centralized locations like that. The developers have to work in conjunction, you know, with city laws and things like that. They have a detached garage as well as a garage, right? So these are the features you can get in this neighborhood. cut his yard. His show looks good. He's probably a veteran. Look at me guessing that he's probably a veteran, like I really know. Love that one too. Oh, gorgeous. We've been down that street. I'll come back down the first street and show y'all a different angle. It'll be the smaller ones that'll start out, you know, probably in the 6s, but these 2 stories, they'll be 7s and 8s. I love that country farmhouse, right? Farmhouse style. Love it, love it. And they have the double doors. Y'all see the double doors? The double doors are awesome, awesome, awesome. They certainly say we have arrived. Well, they don't have the double doors, but they have the side door. I see what they got going on. Great porch. Here's my favorite, this black one. I wonder if these people ever seen me showing their house, because I've shown it multiple times throughout the years. But this is, I see those gentlemen working now. They're getting that infrastructure ready so they can sell these homes. All right, come back over here in 2 years, it's gonna be all built out. It'll be families living all over, enjoying life. Right. But these are custom builders. There's a couple of them that are building in this community. They're the same ones that built in the previous community. And they're getting ready to set it out. They're getting ready to set it out. How am I looking today? All right, guys, so if you are searching for new construction, guys, I would love to help. You know, one of my niches is new construction. So whether you're looking for existing homes or you're working for new construction, one of the things I do is I help families around North Texas find the perfect community for them. Whether your budget is $1 million, $500,000, or $300,000, right? There are builders all over North Texas. And so I pride myself in learning about the community so that I can better serve my clients. So you can always sign up on the link below and someone from my team will get to you shortly. You can also text me. My number is 817-938-8828. You can feel free to give me a call or a text. But if I'm not available, the best way is to text me. But I give phone consultations all day, every day. I'm always doing consultations for people. People will call me with questions. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to serve as a realtor. So if you've got questions, concerns, feel free to always give me a call. But helping families meet their real estate goals is what I love to do. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Y'all have a good one. We got Shirley still here, Willie, Candace, Carolyn. Thanks so much for watching. Y'all have a great one. Sparky McNurse. Y'all have a good one. Bye for now.